Let's look at the letters in the Roman alphabet from my lessons 23 to 25. 23, 24, 25. In my last video I looked at the letters in the lessons of 21 and 22. So we finished on the letter L. Now we're coming to the point where we've got the letter M, which is one of the largest letters. It goes from edge to edge, and in fact it can even creep slightly out of the square at the bottom. So it's usually done top to bottom, top to bottom. You can swing up if you wish and then go down again. Of course it would have been carved by making it, all the strokes would have been separate. But it is nice if you want to flourish it to make it come down on the first stroke and then down, up, and then flourish the second downstroke. The interesting thing about an M is that none of the downstrokes are parallel. So it's difficult to achieve when you try to make those downstrokes to be not parallel. It's more difficult than you'd imagine. So the internal V shape should be quite wide. Now when it comes to the N is 3/4 of the square, and it's top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom. It's the best way to do it. The angles that you create should be nice and sharp. The letter O is a perfect circle, and Leonardo da Vinci was credited with being able to draw a perfect circle, and he used that as his reference, his personal reference. As you can imagine, it's always done anti-clockwise. Okay, so it starts and finishes at the top. The P, this letter fits into half the square, so P is a narrow letter, top to bottom, and then move from left to right. And the P, the bowl of the P, is similar to the top of the B. And the letter Q, now the letter Q is like the O with the addition of a small and elegant tail, which you can draw out from the bottom. See, like that.